How do I check the balance on my activated gift card?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to cover how to check the balance on your activated gift card. We understand it can be frustrating not knowing how much is left on your gift card, and we're here to help. Let's get started.
Identify the type of gift card.
The first step in checking your gift card balance is to identify the type of gift card you have. Is it a store-specific gift card or a general-purpose gift card like those from Visa or MasterCard? This is important because the method of checking the balance may vary depending on the type of card.
Locate the card number and PIN.
Next, locate the card number and PIN on your gift card. The card number is typically on the front of the card, while the PIN, if there is one, can often be found on the back under a scratch-off area. If you don't see a PIN, don't worry, not all gift cards require one.
Using the retailer's website.
For most store-specific gift cards, you can check the balance by visiting the retailer's website. Look for a link that says, gift card balance, or something similar. You'll need to enter the card number and possibly the PIN to see your balance.
Calling the retailer.
If you can't find a balance checker on the retailer's website, look for a customer service phone number instead. Calling this number and following the automated prompts should allow you to enter your card number and PIN, if necessary, to check the balance.
Using General Purpose Cards website.
If you have a general-purpose gift card, such as a Visa or MasterCard gift card, you can typically check the balance by visiting the card issuer's website. Like with store-specific cards, you'll need to enter the card number and possibly a PIN. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to check the balance on your gift card with ease. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, if you have any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the card issuer or retailer for assistance. Happy spending!